The 2024 Acadia marks the beginning of its third generation, boasting a significant overhaul. This year bids farewell to the V6 engine, making way for a turbocharged 328 HP 2.5-liter inline-4 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive. With this redesign, the Acadia grows in size, riding on a wheelbase extended by 10.6 inches and standing taller by 3.2 inches. Anticipated to hit the market in early 2024, the next-gen Acadia promises enhanced performance and versatility. The starting price for the 2024 GMC Acadia is estimated at around $39,000, with prices reaching up to $52,000 depending on the chosen trim and optional features. Under the hood, every Acadia boasts the robust turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, delivering 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The interior of the new Acadia sets a higher standard compared to its predecessor. GMC has elevated the quality of materials and significantly upgraded the technology features. With its larger dimensions, enhanced cubby storage options, and the transition from a shifter button panel to a column-mounted shifter, both cargo and passenger space have been substantially enhanced. Offering versatility, the Acadia can be configured as a 7- or 8-passenger 3-row vehicle, with the second row available as either a full bench or captain's chairs, the latter being standard on AT4 and Denali models. Additionally, there's increased room for groceries behind the third row, along with a convenient storage space located beneath the floor in that area. While front-wheel drive is standard, all-wheel drive is available on most trims, standard on AT4. Surprisingly, this spirited engine outperforms the previous model's optional 310 HP 3.6-liter V6, which, in our previous tests, achieved a 0-60 mph time of 6.1 seconds. The EPA has yet to unveil its estimates for the 2024 GMC Acadia, but we anticipate seeing at least slight enhancements compared to the previous generation. The previous Acadia didn't shy away from fuel consumption, boasting an EPA-estimated 25 mpg combined, with 22 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway when equipped with the turbocharged 2.0-liter engine and front-wheel drive.